Hi there, my name is Danielle and I'm with the Vevox customer success team. And today I want to show you some helpful uses for our numeric poll type. The numeric poll type can be a really good way of breaking up the routine of using only multiple choice polls. If you have a poll with a numeric value, this can be a really good way of boosting your engagement, whether at work or in lessons. So let's have a look at some examples. If you're looking for a fun way to test knowledge of historical dates, then numerical polls may be exactly what you're looking for. Simply select the poll type, pose your question, add in your date range, select a correct answer, and fill in your correct answer and an optional explanation below. Numerical polls are the ideal polling type for your next office survey. Leave your questions open-ended by setting the correct answer button to off so that you can know what your co-workers are thinking in your next meeting. Use the numeric poll type to create fun and challenging math questions for your next lesson. You can add the value up to 10,000, up to 2 decimal places, and you can even change the margin of error to set the difficulty for any question that you like. And now you're good to go. Now, when you run your poll and your participants enter their answer, it will appear as a pin on the graph shown right here. All of our poll types, including this one, are LaTeX compatible, so the world is truly your oyster. That's all from me today. Please remember to like and subscribe down below and to hit the bell for notifications on all of our newest uploads. See you soon. Bye.